How to replace a Shaw Trav'ler sheath cable. You will need the following tools to replace the sheath cable: a 1/2, 7/16, 5/16, and 3/8 wrench, and a No. 2 Phillips screwdriver. Press and hold the power button to power the system on. Allow the antenna to raise up off the roof so the arm is at least parallel to the roof. Press and hold power and select on the interface box to power it off. Unplug the interface box from power. On the roof, begin by disconnecting the 4 coax cables from the top of the turret using the 7/16 wrench. With the 5/16 wrench, remove the P-clip from the elevation arm. Remove the P-clip from the sheath cable and set the P-clip and 5/16 screw to the side. Remove the nuts and bolts holding the LMB guard in place using the 3/8 wrench. Remove the LMB guard from the feed arm and set the LMB guard nuts and bolts to the side. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw from the underside of the arm holding the LMB in place. Remove the LMB from the arm and disconnect the 4 coax cables from the LMB using the 7/16 wrench. Remove the rubber grommet from the arm and remove it from the cables. Locate the 1/2-inch bolt at the back of the arm where it connects to the reflector. Remove this bolt using the 1/2-inch wrench. Slide the arm out of the slot in the reflector. Remove the sheath cable from the arm. Run the replacement sheath cable down the arm so the side with the zip tie is on the turret end of the cable. Slide the arm into the slot on the reflector and use the 1/2-inch wrench and hardware you removed previously to secure the arm back to the reflector. Run the cables through the rubber grommet and place the rubber grommet back into the arm. Attach the 4 coax cables to the new LMB, tighten until finger tight, then use the 7/16 wrench for a quarter turn. Slide the LMB into the arm. Now replace the screw on the underside of the arm to secure the LMB in place. Place the LMB guard on the feed arm and secure it using the 4 nuts and bolts. Tighten the nuts using the 3/8 wrench. Place the P-clip on the sheath cable so the zip tie is to the left of the P-clip. If your cable does not have a zip tie, the P-clip should be 15 inches from the end of the cable. Attach the P-clip to the elevation arm using the 5/16 screw. Connect the new coax cables to the vertical ports on the turret, tighten until finger tight, then use the 7/16 wrench for a quarter turn. Plug the interface box back into power and power the system back on. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced your Shaw Trav'ler sheath cable.